My name's Jason Gorley, and I'm in the Renovation Construction Technician program at Lambton College. It's not only the skills of swing a hammer, install this, install that, put this there. The program also incorporated financials and how to do payroll, how to do your overheads, how to calculate all this stuff, how to do takeoffs. And so those were kind of those managerial skills that I didn't have that they've provided for me. It's two loves of mine, I guess. You know, I miss interacting with people, and I love helping people. And I love working with my hands and creating stuff, and it's kind of a very good match for me with this program and the school, I think, in general. The teachers are helping because they come with real-world experience. When you're dealing with structural components and you're dealing with other trades coming on back at you, to be out by inches really puts them in a jam. And so, you know, quality and precision, these are all things that they drive into us day in and day out. It's about growth. It's about growth in learning new subjects, in learning new skills. But it's also growth in learning about new people, learning about new avenues of things you can do. It's about learning about different ways things are done, showing you that yours is not always the only way. Just take the step. Don't worry about what may or may not happen or about what's guaranteed or not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. And I think it's the journey that is the pearl in life. I don't think it's necessarily the destination.